Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to talk about the word hopeful and how we can use it in everyday situations. Hopeful means feeling positive and believing that something good will happen in the future. For example, when you're waiting for your exam results, you might say, I am hopeful that I passed. Before going for a job interview, you might think, I'm hopeful that I'll get the job. If you're about to try a new activity for the first time, you might say, I'm hopeful that I will enjoy it. Next is optimistic. Optimistic is very similar to hopeful. It means thinking good things will happen, even when things aren't perfect. For example, even though it rained on our picnic, I'm optimistic that we'll have better weather tomorrow. The company faced challenges last year, but I'm optimistic that this year will be better. Even though I didn't win this time, I'm optimistic about my chances in the next competition. Next is positive. Positive is also about having a good attitude. It's the way you think when you believe something good will happen. For example, after a bad day at work, I told myself, I'm positive that tomorrow will be better. Despite the difficulties, she stayed positive and kept working hard. He was positive about getting the promotion because of his hard work. Expectant is a little different but still similar. It means you're waiting for something good and you feel excited about it. For example, she was expectant about her vacation, knowing it would be fun. The children were expectant as they waited for their gifts on Christmas morning. He was expectant about the new movie release, having heard so many good reviews. Confident means you believe in yourself or in a situation. It's a strong feeling of trust that things will work out. For example, after practicing for weeks, I'm confident that I can do well in the talent show. She was confident that she could solve the puzzle, having done it before. He was confident that his team would win the match after all their hard work. To sum up, hopeful means believing something good will happen. Optimistic means staying positive even when things are tough. Positive means having a good attitude about what's ahead. Expectant means waiting eagerly for something to happen. Confident means believing in yourself and your abilities. That's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to talk about feeling hopeful and positive in different ways.